Welcome to Butter Tarot. This is the June Spiritual Forecast for the sign of Sagittarius. Well, Sagittarius, as I was mixing your cards, it was like the one major arcana after the other. So this June is going to present a powerful month for making shifts. It's, we're getting ready to shift from one part of the year towards another part of the year. It is a month for, it's like a catalyst. So wherever you are with your life, there is some kind of jump that can be made out of that specific area. But rather it is about doing and speculating and everything. It is on a soul plane. So at the moment, the whole universe is going on alignment, regaining. Wrongs are being made right again in the world. So for you, there's no difference in that. So in this reading, what I see here is you realizing and allowing the shift to happen. So for some of you, for a while, it's almost like certain opportunities have slid in there and you've not even noticed that they were opportunities. So certain things have basically passed you by. Somebody has given you an opportunity, and it could have been in an area where you thought, well, that's not my dream, or it could have been what was I getting now? It has definitely been, there's been a couple of opportunities in the past that you just didn't know were opportunities that were major, allowing you to do major shifts. But in this reading, it's not about that you have to go back and take those opportunities or revisit it. It's about you learning to notice the small things. So the, karmic dread we sometimes feel when we make a mistake, or we feel regret, is not something that is going to exist in the future. This is about realignment with yourself. So as soon as you align that, a new flow of opportunities will come within you. So if you just notice that that's like the past, for some of you it could just be the past months, but for others of you it can be, over the past 5 years. Notice where you could have made adjustments, where you could have actually said yes to those opportunities, but you overthink it. What did I just say? Overthought it. I'm sorry. I'm just too many languages going on in my head. Where you thought it and you chose not to take the opportunity, and then you really convinced yourself why the reason was good that you didn't take that opportunity, and blah, 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 blah. This is about learning to take the gifts that the universe gives to you. That is what June is like, anchoring in your soul, is just being mindful, being aware in your everyday life, being present with all the good stuff that wants to come in. So we're going to shift, and we're going to allow abundance to come in, to be a natural part of your day. We're going to shift here, allowing you to shine and to express yourself for who you truly are. And for some of you, this is about that you are so charismatic, but you dim your light a little bit to be with your life partner or to be with other people. And what your reading is saying is that is no longer necessary. Energies have shifted in the world, and 2020 was just a great year to allow us to become in alignment. We're going to see tremendous amount of spiritual growth. We're going to see tremendous amount of shifts and change worldwide. And it's very important that we don't go into the negative aspects of these changes, but that we truly stay aligned and see this happened so that this really could happen. Like, we see the bigger picture and promote that. So if any of you guys are influencers, promote positive progress as much as you can. The universe is at your feet. Once you have your eyes open to the opportunities that are around you, really see, and not the script that you're being fed or that you've chosen to feed yourself. Jump out of your own script, write a new one. You will see that things are meant to fall to pieces that are not in alignment with you. You might have a beautiful life on paper, but groundbreakingly, what is really truly important to you is the alignment of the soul. And once you truly are aligned with your soul, you are aligned with the people that matter in your life. So you don't have to be worried or making changes that you will lose certain people or revamping certain life situations. You do not need to fear that. The beauty, the security, the harmony will just be intensified. It will come in completely. You will not, we don't know how great we truly can live our lives. And that is basically your reading. You will see signs. You can look at the signs from previous through your life, how you have shifted certain things, how you have reconnected with yourself on a deeper level, and you will see, oh my gosh, it's that simple. So there's some beautiful spiritual guidelines for you in the month of June that you're going to realize, or in this very second you're going to realize, and you're no longer going to fool yourself. You're going to be aligned with who you truly are. Creativity will emerge. You will get new ideas, new sense of income will come in, or that you do not need to work. You can do this and this and this to be truly aligned. So basically, so take care of yourself on every aspect of in your life, and blow a little bit of renewal. Breathe into that aspect of your life. There's going to be success all around in every area of your life, whether it be love, workplace, non-workplace, school, relationships, family. There's going to be success once you have that little reflection time. And it could be for you, it could be in an instant. For others of you, you could really use a couple of weeks really to chew through that what has happened. And it's without regret. It is simply because you know now that your life will unfold as it is meant to, as long as you just breathe. Breathing is the key to life. Breathing is the biggest change that you can make. Breathing and being present in your moment, as we are speaking right now. You have here the Hierophant. So you had 1, 2, 3, 4. Basically, a lot of the signs had many major arcanas. The more things that are happening in your present moment, the more shifts, the more awareness that you are tuned in right now, looking at your life. Take note of that and make those grand shifts within your own consciousness. Allow all those shifts to be made. Look at the beautiful signs that are trying to come into you. Once you do all these things, there is a sense of peace that you haven't felt in many, many years. So yes, do I say that, oh, June's going to be such a peaceful and tranquil month? No, I'm not saying, I cannot say that because it's each of you are going to experience it, the gift that's going to come in June in many different ways, all depending on where you are consciously. Are you awake to your own circumstance? So we have here the Tower. For some of you, it'll be something will really shake up your system. But if you're getting this reading now, notice your life. Notice what things can be, so you don't need to get that wake-up call from the universe. Just be present. Just say, I am awake to my circumstance. Even though you have the faintest idea or the forming of thought or the definition of what it is that you need to change, being present in your own circumstance is enough. Our soul language is such a much more complicated language. That's why it's hard for me sometimes to channel the messages out to you guys. But, and the definition, the intent to define it is already enough that you're defining stuff within your soul. So set the beautiful intention for you to have clarity, for you to make the right choices in the months to come, and surrender and release all the judgment you have on yourself. And you're going to see from 6 months on, I'm going to be doing the 6 months reading soon, how amazing your life is going to shift in an instant. So Sagittarius, this was a short reading, but it was on point. There's so many things for you to uncover and discover, or just enjoy and cherish. Your shift is going to happen radically on all aspects of your life. And it doesn't even matter if you are a naysayer and skeptic and think, oh my gosh, that's just another tarot reading. It is truly going to happen for you. Whether you, there is a strong intent for all of us that are inside of our souls. There is a strong possibility and opportunity that is in June. Whether you take it or not, of course, is a key. Whether you're just open for it is also a major key. So take care. I wish you the best, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.